This is a test of the weather radio broadcast from Flagstaff, Arizona.
Dang it.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated. An excessive heat warning means that a period of these receivers are normally conducted each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and 9
How is that possible?
time. If there is a threat of severe weather, this test will be postponed to the next severe weather. Air conditioning. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio.
Crap.
The official NOAA National Weather Service forecast for northern Hilo County.
I just woke up, and I start turning on my radios, and I only turn 2 on. Crap. Well, I guess I wait for Phoenix, and freaking Flagstaff does it 3 minutes early. Look at this. Look at... Well, I guess I'll wait for Phoenix's in a half hour.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated by this tone to warn you of impending weather hazards in central Arizona. Tests of these radios are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of or existing severe weather in your area Wednesday, this test will not be conducted. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service as possible, this warning alarm will only be activated for watches and warnings affecting Maricopa and northwest Pinhole counties. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. What? Hot conditions with afternoon temperatures 94 to 108 expected. Where? The Vexel Mountains and Pinhole/Superstition Mountains. When? From 10 a.m. Thursday.
I forgot to change these off of Payson. Oopsies. Ugh. So, PFSR, you've got some explaining to do. You are a little late. This test is normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon. What does that say? I will leave it with that.